Hi my little nation, it's me, Melina Knives. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Hush makeup. If I'm correct, I have 2 orders. So this is my first order. I'm currently still waiting on my second order to arrive. I have right here about $92 worth of makeup. I have not yet opened it, but I've had this package here for like, I want to say more than a week. I've had it just sitting behind my desk because I have not yet got a chance to breathe and sit down and do a video. So without further ado, I'm going to open up this box. Okay, my worst fear is like half this makeup is broken. Probably don't have to fear about that. Oh, okay, so almost everything is individually wrapped. I've gotten like bundles of makeup. Okay, so a whole bunch of palettes and primer and foundation. That's what I got. Okay, so let's jump right into this. I'm really excited for these palettes right here. And also I have some more palettes to open, so I'm excited. First palette is the Wild palette by Face Candy. And it looks like this. I love like the zebra print on here. I'm legitimately shocked. It has kind of like a felt top to it. Like the black on here is raised and textured, and that is really nice. I love that. Oh no! One of the shadows did arrive broken, which is what I was afraid of. And of course it's the black shade. The shades I use most, black. Okay, so here's the palette. Very pretty colors. I'll insert some swatches here. First shade is Sensation, really powdery, but really pretty. This shade is called Bang. Wow, that is beautiful. These shadows are actually really soft. And this one is Misfit, pretty sheer green. I'm gonna layer that one up one more time. Okay. This shade is Uproar. This shade is Reckless. This shade is Riot. And there we have it. This is our first row in the Wild palette. Here's the first shade in the second row. This shade is called Whirl. It's really cute. This shade is called Snap. This shade is called Rough. That was a rough swatch. And this shade is called Havoc. This shade is called Raw. And this shade is called Hot Mess. That is really pretty. So here are the first 2 rows of the Wild palette. The first shade in the third row is Trouble. Ooh, I love that. That is really pretty. This shade is called Rebellion. That's really pretty. Let's try doubling that one up. Wow, these layer really nice and they're very pigmented. This shade is called Chaos. Untamed. Nasty. Wow, these shadows are actually really surprising me. And this one is called Strife. These are lovely. And that is the third row. Okay, this shade is Taboo. This shade is Jagged. I'm gonna double up Jagged. Pretty. This shade is Offbeat. And this shade is Disorder. This shade is Storm. And this shade is Anarchy. So overall, I really do like the palette. The colors, they do pop, they do have pigment, a little bit on the powdery side, and the black was a little bit patchy. But other than that, I really do like this palette. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but it's really cute packaging and I'd love to have this in my collection. And the broken shade, all I had to do was swatch it and it looked like it mended the shade. Like, these shades are really soft. And the second one is the Vice palette. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so It's pink, not really fond of pink, but this is actually really pretty. These letters are raised. Opening up this, none of the shadows are broken, thank God. But look how beautiful these are. I want to swatch this like right now. I love purples. This is in the shade Miami. Very powdery, like a chunk just fell on my dresser. This shade is called The Keys. Okay, so that one's really pigmented. I like that one. Clean Finger. This shade is called Winter. This one is Get Down. Okay, that one's really pigmented, but a little bit patchy. Yeah, so this palette is pretty powdery, if I'm being completely honest. So the next shade in the Vice palette is Kingpin. It's really metallic purple. It's really pretty. Purple Palms. Hit It. I'm gonna layer that one up twice. This shade is called Undercover. And this shade is called Bust. So altogether, I don't think it's a really bad palette. I just think it's really powdery, but definitely buildable, and the pigment's pretty much there. And when I did swatches, I did not use any primer with any of these, so I just thought I'd tell you. It did leave a little bit of staining on my fingertips, but it's okay. Usually with like pinks, purples, and reds, they do tend to leave some staining. Okay, so the next palette I'm going to be swatching is the After Party. I was showing pictures of it with flash and then without flash. This black is really black and I'm loving it. Powdery, but pretty to me. Okay, and this black is called Blackout. This is really pretty. That was really nice. It swatches really pretty. The Morning After. Really nice peachy transition color. Can you guys see it? Here's the shade Tipsy. Okay, this is Strobe Light. Here's Hairspray. That would be a really pretty highlighter. Hairspray. And then here's Trouble. Here's Open Tab. Musk. And then Invite Only. So here is the entire palette. My arms feel like I've worked out for an hour. So this palette is Aftershock. Now, the one thing that really drew me to this palette in particular was the yellow in the middle. This palette has gotten a lot of really good reviews, and to be honest, this is the only palette that I actually wanted, but instead I ended up getting all of them. Okay, the first shade is Sensation. I'm just gonna go on my hand because I'm tired. This is Sensation. This is BPM. This is Light Show. Chaser. This shade right here, this yellow shade, is Electronica. So I'm gonna double layer that one up. It's a really nice yellow. Wow. This shade is Drop. Okay, I just double layered that one. All right, this next shade is Plur. This shade is Tingle. Literally thought it's a triangle, but it's Tingle. And this is Surge. Okay, so this by far is the best palette that we've tested out so far. Look at these colors. All right, comment down below which one is your favorite out of this particular palette. Oh my gosh. I definitely feel like this is gonna be the palette that I'm gonna use the most out of everything that we've done so far. The pigment is pretty fantastic, And no wonder this got really, really high rated reviews, because I really like it. I really do. This red is really pretty. Even the pinks are pretty, and I'm not a fan of pink, which everyone knows. But oh my gosh, look at that. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this palette did have kickback. Like, Plur had a lot of kickback. Like, it got into the shade Electronica, and I promise I'm not a barbaric swatcher. So here's the After Charge palette by Bad Habit. These shadows just look very soft. Okay, we have Energize, Invigorate. Okay, these are not showing up as great as I thought. We have Rally. Okay, this shade is Bounce Back. This shade is Stardust. My bad. This shade is actually Second Wind. This shade is Stardust. Very pretty. I'm really liking this one. And that's how they look at the figures. Okay, this one is Rebound. It's a really pretty copper shade. Here's New Life. I love that shade. Wow. I'm gonna layer this one up. That is gonna be a beautiful lip topper or inner corner highlight or just a face highlight. Wow. And this one is Round 2. Okay, so here is the entire After Charge palette. Okay, we have swatched all of the palettes from the box. Do you guys think it was worth $93? Alright, well, I will see you guys next time in my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and it wasn't too long. Well, like I said, sound off below. See you guys next time. Bye.